Today we're at the Cummins Falls State Park to do the Cummins Falls Trail via some other trails. It's just gonna be a short, so quick trip, couple shots. Hopefully we'll see a waterfall. I don't think we're swimming. I brought shorts, but we're not gonna swim. There's no place to cross the water without water shoes, but we didn't make it all the way to the waterfall, so we're gonna try to use this tree over here and see if we can cross it that way.
No way.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. There it is. Well, we made it. It was took us 82 minutes to hike from the entrance to the waterfall. We had some detours. We had to go back a couple times. Honestly, I don't know how we're gonna get back without, I guess, taking our shoes and socks off and walking across the river, because going across that log, I do not recommend it. Do not do it. But it's nice. We found a shady spot. We're sitting and catching our breath for about an hour, have a banana or something, and then we're gonna hike back out of here. So we'll see you at the next one. Peace.